you will probably never succeed in Blender. And that is not me being harsh. That is just a reality that I've seen among my friends who started Blender and never got good at it. And it was because of at least one of these 6 things, which I'm going to show you in this video. Number 1, you're overly fucking ambitious. This is something that I've always had problems with. You see someone like Cornelius Damrick, then you go like, yeah, I'm going to make a scene with 3 characters, story, original environment design, fucking guns. So you go inside Blender with this masterpiece in your head, you work hard and hard, and then it flops. But you won't accept that failure, since you have worked on it for a large amount of time. So what happens is that you keep going. It's exactly like gambling, except you lose every time. What you should do is to prioritize quantity over quality. And yes, quantity over quality. Let me explain. When you finish a project, you gain experience. You do more projects, you get more experience. Pretty simple, right? But there comes a point where the project that you're working on doesn't teach you anything new, but you're still putting in the same amount of energy without gaining much out of it. Which leads us to the second reason that why you may fail Blender. And that is that you want to learn everything. There are thousands of routes and subgenres of 3D that you can take, like character sculpting, creature sculpting, hard surface, rigging, VFX, CFX. So narrow things down. Have a fucking niche. The sooner you do that, the faster you're going to progress. Number 3, you only work when you have a big block of free time. If there is one productivity hack that I can give to someone, is that work whenever you have time. When turning on your PC, straight up open Blender. Even if you don't want to work or don't have time to work, just have it open. By doing that, you just made it so much easier for yourself to start working with it. Because you already did the hard part. Number 4, you try to be overly original. There are a lot of people who think that they have to make something that no one has ever done or created, which is wrong. Because no matter how unique your idea is, someone has probably done it or done something pretty close to it. So instead of focusing on originality, focus on making stuff that gets you inspired. If you see something on Pinterest that you really like, there's no shame in making your version of that thing. At the end, art is theft, so steal like an artist. Number 5, stop making everything yourself. As you know, time is money. So stop making something that you have already made. For example, if I've made several chairs in the past, why would I waste my time by making another one when I can just download it? But yeah, of course, do make things that you don't know how to make, cause that's how you learn. And at the end, you watch too many tutorials. There are people who know half the shit that you know, yet they are far more ahead than you. So instead of thinking, oh, I'm not ready, go and mess around with it. It doesn't have to look good at first. It just matters that you put in the work. Remember, all the artists that you see on the internet were at the exact place that you're in right now. And with that, thanks for watching. Bye. See ya.